Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our 3D printing course, which is an introductory course. In this lesson, this is going to be that's the selective laser sintering. Okay, in our previous lessons, we learned about FDM, that's fused deposition modeling, and then we also learned about the SLS, SLA, that's selective, not selective, stereolithography. Okay, so stereolithography. So, which makes use of does it lights, okay, a UV light to cure um, erasing photosensitive liquid to be able to get an object or a 3D model. Okay, and then the fused deposition modeling makes use of filaments. Okay, so yeah, filaments. Okay, let's see. Okay, filaments to get that done. In this our selective laser sintering, this particular one makes good use of laser. Okay, and then the laser actually, okay, so SLS 3D printing laser uses selective sintering to fuse together polymer powder particles layer by layer to create a product. Okay, so when it says sintering, what it's going to do is it uses pressure and then heat. Okay, so the pressure and the heat would actually help the powder. Okay, would help the will help model the 3D object. Okay, so the sintering wouldn't make it melt. Okay, so you're just going to heat it with the help of pressure and then heat to extend that it wouldn't melt. Okay, and then you get this object. Okay, so it makes good use of a powder or powder to get the object. Okay, layer by layer. Okay, so FDM uses filament. SLA or no stereolithography uses what is it, erasing, and then selective laser sintering uses powder. Okay, so there are different technologies that um, can be used for 3D printing, but the most common one or commonly or the one that is available to people, okay, like homes and then smaller institutions, should be the FDM. Okay, that's the fused deposition modeling kind of technology. Okay, so let's see how SLS works. Okay, so play this video. You can see the parts that are produced here. Okay, the objects are that are produced are usually lightweight. So this video is made available. You can watch the video and then you can actually watch how it's being done. Okay, so actually there's a narration within the video explaining how it's working. It works. So yeah. So I'm just going to be skipping. So there's a product from SLS. Okay, so you can see the powder. The powder. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the types of 3D printing technology. And then, as I said or as I explained, we have the FDM, which is the one that is commonly available. We have the stereolithography, and then we have the selective laser sintering. Okay, so these technologies make or these 3D printing technologies are very different in various ways, like from the kind of technology that's used. One uses light, one uses filament, one uses what is the name? Um, Laser. Okay. So that said, I'll see you in the next lesson, and then thank you.